Good evening, Miss Ais. My name is Yenny. I am from S4D class. And before I start, I would like to say thank you for watching this video. And I want to review one of reading application which is usually used for kids. And the name of the application is Rivet, and this is the application looks like. Okay, we can see the application, looks like. This is fun and interesting. They have an avatar here. Okay, this application is quite helpful for kids who wants to learn to read English. So if you want to use this application, you can download in App Store or Play Store for free. Yeah. Okay, before we try how to use this application, you can see the graphic, and the features. I think this application looks good. They have a lot of articles. This application, they have almost 120 topic, and I think this is so interesting for kids. Okay, the topic is such as adventures, animals, art and crafts, wait a second, okay, community, history, holidays, and etc. Learning, science, sport. Okay, and then how to use this application. Now this is so easy to use, for kids. I would try. Okay, read again. I just want to try this. Wait a second. Okay, Dino's dance. Okay, today 25 minutes for read. Okay.
You have read 25 minutes today.
Okay, let's retry. Check this out. Okay.
Dino sleeps. Dino wakes up. He hungry. Yum. Dino dances.
Okay, like this.
He is hungry.
Okay, one of the words, and we can know how to read it correctly. Like I did before.
Yum. Yum. Dino dances.
This application can also make we try to read. Okay, like this. Okay. He is hungry again. See?
He is hungry again.
Let's try.
Dino dances again.
Dino dances again. So fun, right? Again.
Dinos love to dance.
Okay, it's not just read. Okay, it's not just learn to read, but we will get the point and playing the game. Okay, like this. Oh,
Yahoo!
okay. And then we can read this article. Okay, I think awesome.
I love it.
So fun. Okay. Keep reading. Yeah, so you can also see another article here. Yeah, so interesting. We know that this article is so useful and so fun, but they have advantages and disadvantages. Yeah. So this is this advantages. Yeah. Graphically, this application looks good. We can read after we listen their sound. The app also released on game machines to spur our young leader. Kids earn points and badges, and it customized the whole affair with avatars, recommended books, and themes. Okay, Area 120 also promised energizing games and surprises to keep readers on their toes. The app works on phone, tablet, and Android, so this is so very easy to use. Yeah. Okay, this finishes. Sometimes when we start reading these two words into one, so it's kind of weird and bad, and sometimes take a while to download, so you need to good connection if you want to use this application. So thank you, miss, for watching. Stay healthy and stay safe. God bless you.